Hello finance enthusiasts. We at Finculcate aim at inculcating the knowledge of financial markets, trading and investing to every beginner. We have consolidated the entire knowledge of finance into simple videos that every student right from a young age can easily understand. Everyone can become thorough in this subject by the end of the video series. One of the greatest problems with financial education is the lack of sequence and continuity. We, at Finculcate, have defeated this problem by converting concepts into videos which will be uploaded in an orderly manner. Our video series will sequentially cover all the concepts of the world of finance, right from the most basic definition of shares to the investment strategy of Warren Buffett. The understanding of these concepts right at the start of one's career can be very beneficial for him.